All right, all right, all right. End of the day, and the Fed said they're going to start their tapering, very conservative tapering, not looking to raise interest rates. They said they're going to stay accommodative, so everybody was comfortable with what was said. Not a whole lot of fear. So we have an understanding. The market likes clarity, and that's what encouraged the move up. So the move is very aggressive, very aggressive. Oh, that's the 10-year. So let's get the SPX. It's just climbing. It's running. We're gonna let it go. That's all. Let it go. I'm happy. This should be a little retrace of consolidation, but I don't think we're going to see anything bloody for a little while, unless some surprises come out. And we will look at the 10-year. That's what we got to keep our eye on. So the 10-year is trading off, and looks like it's in a consolidation. Is good. Interest rates won't start going up until July. Give you a good chance to pick up TBT on the down low. Obviously something you want to do. I'm just looking for something. Let's take a look at a few more things. Bank. There we go. So let's take a look at TBT. It's trading off right now. Here's the daily. Had a good push up. Looks like it's going to go into a consolidation right there. So, last week you could have had this thing at $19. It's at $17.52 in my eyes. It's a bargain. It's on sale. So if you have an interest in playing the interest rate rise, TBT is a good vehicle. I'm still looking at palladium and putting in a nice hammer close this gap. I think I recall talking about that, saying that we could buy it on the close of this gap. So might be a good place to sock it away. I'm going to look to do that. Viacom is beating the hell out of me. It's about where I bought it. I expected it to move by now. Still like the product. See, 62 to $64 security. So um, I'm a buyer down here. I'm a buyer. Verizon. It's a good price. In a consolidation, pays 4.85% dividend in a time where there's no yield. That's pretty good. Until those interest rates start moving, you can't really argue with that. So I'm a buyer down here. And XOM, I'm always a buyer on dips. When it dips, I dip, you dip. So this is a nice price. I'd pick it up here. Hopefully, I could see it down 61.38. So, whenever I have excess capital from my directional trades and my income trades, I just chip away at these bad boys. Chip, 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 chip. Virgin Galactic has done this to me quite a few times. But, once he gets things going, it'll take off again. I got in down here, got out at 60. I never sell my whole piece, but I sell a small piece, and then when it comes back down, I buy some more. So I trade probably half my position and just maintain long on half my position. I'm expecting it to move. So anyway, Bank of New York too. I like Bank of New York. I'm buying that on dips also. That baby doesn't seem like it wants to dip. It's going to reap the benefits of the interest rate hike. So that's it, man. It looks like a good market from here, and I'm encouraged. We're back to buy the dip program, and I think you could do well if you do that, buy the dip. Right now, everything's running. Don't chase it. Wait for your time. Be a good stalker. Stay calm and cool. Get a little meditation in. Be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.